So I am Mr. Dave Martinez Mustasisa, a holder of a Master's of Arts in Industrial Psychology degree and a registered psychometrician, and also a counselor for the Project Art Day of the University of Makati.
Good morning po. We would like to thank you for taking the time to join us today for this interview despite your busy schedule po. So, before we begin, we would like to introduce ourselves. We are from 2A Psychology. I am Denise.
I am Vangeline Alier po.
Jewel.
And I'm Christine Joy Robin. Ayan po. We are conducting this interview po as part of our midterm requirement in the Disaster in Mental Health Project po. So, as for the consent form naman po, before we proceed to the interview, we would like, yung consent form po nasanda po namin online po. Bali, you may free to ask questions, sir, and you may also withdraw any without consequences po. So, yung purpose po ng interview na to is, we would like to discuss which is about your experience and perspective on disasters and mental health, wherein the questions focus on about psychological effects of disasters, coping mechanisms, and professional insights on mental health supporting during the after crisis.
Yeah, actually I have two particular situations na nakapag-work ako directly for those clients who experience disasters, which contributed to some issues with their mental health. No? Una-una, there's one na nasunugan. No? Nasunugan siya, so he's one of the associates that I know, no? Na one of the colleagues that I know na nasunugan, and it is very devastating for him. Kasi siya ang breadwinner ng pamilya. So siya ang nagpundar ng bahay only to find out na nasunog siya. Well, sa kung ano naman tinuturo sa atin, di ba? Sa site, no, na kinakailangan maging open tayo. Especially to those people who are really experiencing troublesome issues. No? Not just only those who have mental or psychological disorders or mental issues, but also those people who experienced different situations na hindi naman talaga nila gusto. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, isa nakaranas ng sunog, yung isa nakaranas ng sexual harassment or abuse. So, my way of helping them or handling them is that I make sure that I have an open mindset. Yun ang unang-una. I have an open mindset na hindi ako darating sa punto na magsasabi na ako nga eh. Di ba? Actually very observable nga, no? Kapag ang isang tao ay nasunugan, for example, so meron siyang sense of disbelief na paano nangyari to, daw makapaniwala. Sa dami-dami ba naman ang pinundar ko sa buhay, mapupunta lang into ashes. There's a sense of disbelief and also a sense of tawag nito na of parang tawag nyo sa English is naninisi, no? Nagsisisi siya, naninisi ng tao, or blaming, no? Nag-blame siya ng tao na ikaw kasi ganyan-ganyan, no? At hindi ko rin maiiwasan nung kinakausap ko yung associate na yung colleague na yun na nasunugan. Pati ako nasisi. Kahit wala naman ako doon sa sitwasyon. Pero again, going back to having an open mindset, siya yung nakaranas doon eh. Siya yung nagkaroon ng ganung issue. Therefore, dapat you already have a foresight na, okay, yung taong ito, sensitive ito, he or she is in a delicate position right now. Ayun. Siguro, I want to specify lang, dinadiagnose yung dalawa na binanggit ko. But some people tend to have yung PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder. Ang iba dyan, nagkakaroon ng major depressive disorder. They also have what we call to have panic attacks, no? And panic disorder or specific phobia, tawagin on the DSM-5 if I'm allowed to use it, no? But still it depends on the psychological assessment done by a psychometrician and a psychologist as well, no? For now, kumbaga, I'm just only checking, baka nag-akma lang, but I'm not totally generalizing na, ito, itong taong ito, may ganitong sakit, or may ganitong psychological issue. Okay. So, siguro sa mga estudyante na nakakapanood nitong video na to, number one, kung talagang kailangan ng tulong, at ikaw lang talaga yung pinaghihinga ng tulong nung friends mo, o colleagues mo, o kakilala mo, una-una, you have to be ready. Okay? All the time. All the time. Sabi nga nung isang colleague ko, you cannot give what you don't have. Kung ikaw mismo meron kang sariling issue, tapos magpapayo ka o mag-handle ka din ng isang klase ng problema, do you think you can function properly? It will bamboozle everything. Okay? Lalo pa makakadagdag yun sa issue. So kapag meron kang dinadalang issue, you have to be ready na ikaw din, you might need to have professional support. Kaya nga tayo dito sa Yuma, kaswerte natin, meron tayong guidance. No? Kapag hindi kaya ng guidance ng situation mo, meron tayong Project Ardea. Kami ang humahandle. No? So, ibig sabihin, hindi kayo pinababayaan ng university. And also, the Institute of Psychology doesn't make sure na kayo ay well-rounded.